Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to back up Line app chat. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up a Line application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Line application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to back up the chat, what you have to do is go to settings. For that, tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options related with settings over here. Over here, you'll be able to find the section for backup and transfer. At first of the section, you'll be able to find the option for backup and restore chat history. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply tap on the option backup now. Now you'll have to set the backup pin. You can choose the 6 digits that you can use as the backup pin. This pin will help you restore your backed up chat history to another device. So you can simply pick a pin, tap on the field of 6-digit pin. Now what you have to do is create a pin over here. Now confirm the pin. Once you do that, tap on the arrow icon that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to select the Google account in order to save the backup. Simply tap on the field select account. Now allow the line to access your contacts. Now what you have to do is choose an account for Line. Simply choose the Google account that you would like to use for backup. Now tap on the OK option. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, what you have to do is read the information very carefully. Tap on the option continue that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, that particular account will be selected. Tap on this option start backup. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here the chat backup has been done. You can also transfer your account if you want. If you want to do that, tap on this option transfer account. Otherwise, simply tap on the option close. Now you can see over here your chat is backed up. So like this, you'll be able to back up the chat. So that is how you back up Line app chat. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.